Listen up, I am telling you, you do not have to feel like just another face in the crowd at your bank. Stop it. Freedom Federal Credit Union offers its members personalized service and has strong ties to the community. And here to tell us more about the credit union difference is Mike McPherson, the president and CEO of Freedom Federal Credit Union, Mike, welcome.
Thank you for having me.
I'm happy to have you here because I know about the credit union difference.
Good.
I am a strong supporter of credit unions, but some people don't know the difference between a credit union and a bank. So explain that difference.
Well, it's actually easy. I'd focus on two main things. First of all, we always talk about the credit union difference. I like to refer to it as the credit union advantage.
Okay.
Because one of the things that makes us stand apart is that we are member-owned. The people that join a credit union, our customers, become members, and they actually own the credit union. We're not owned by these big stockholders that are looking to make money in a back room someplace.
Right.
It's our members that own it. And in addition to that, we're also a not-for-profit. Now, not non-profit, but not-for-profit. So after we pay the bills, our objective is to put our money back into the community and into the credit union and to the members. And that can be done in any number of ways, either from our rates to make sure that they're the best, or our fees to make sure that they're the lowest, or just to reinvest and grow the credit union and provide community support.
That makes sense. And now I'm realizing why I like credit unions so much, because I'm a Packers fan, also member-owned, sort of. So there you go. There.
Same thing.
So the credit unions, it's not a new concept, though. It's been around for a while.
Yeah, it's actually been in the United States since 1909.
Wow.
There are more than 114, 115 million Americans that are credit union members, and actually around 2 million Marylanders that are part of a credit union. And I think what's happened over time is, if you think back to the financial crisis of 2008,
yes,
when that led to a lot of multi-billion-dollar bailouts paid by the taxpayers, credit unions weren't the cause of that, and credit unions remained in business to support the communities, to provide the services. We basically picked up the pieces from the financial crisis, and that has caused people to more and more look for alternatives in their banking, and they go towards credit unions because of that community connection.
Yes. Yeah. And your credit union is in Harford County, right?
It is.
You got 5 locations?
5 locations up in Harford County. We're what they call a community credit union.
Yes.
So if you live, work, worship, attend school, have family, or volunteer in Harford County, you can actually become a member of the credit union.
Got it. So there's different types of credit unions. So a community credit union,
sure,
or if you were a part of an organization, they might have their own credit.
Right.
Is that how it works?
Yes. Every credit union has a certain eligibility. But it really depends on why that credit union was formed. It could be because of a school system, or it could be because of an organization or a particular business. And there are just many types of ways to join.
I love how you touched on the fact that it's part of the community. And I know that with Freedom Federal Credit Union, that it really is a part of the Harford County community.
Oh yeah, I liken it to being the heart of the credit union movement. That's the heart of the community that we are. We believe very much in giving back, not just, as I've said, with better rates and better fees and all that kind of stuff that you would expect from a financial institution.
Yes.
But we actually have a focus on volunteerism, on philanthropy, giving back and doing more for our members and making the community better.
Right, and you start to get to know the people that you're working with, or that you are going to the credit union and you're seeing, and you're doing all these financial transactions with them, and so you know them in a different sort of way.
We are a partner in the community, and and we live there. So it's like, you think of all these larger institutions and maybe some of the virtual type financial institutions, and where do you go when you have a problem?
Exactly.
You can still walk into the door of a credit union. Plus, we're out there on the ball fields, we're out there on the trails, running, we're out there in the community, in the stores.
So how do we sign up?
Oh, well, for us, it's very simple. To become a member, there's no fee. It's not a membership like you're joining a gym.
Right.
All you have to do is put $1 in a savings account.
There you go.
Your dollar in your savings account, and that's how you become a member.
That's how you start.
You own the credit union.
So you can call the number on your screen, go online there, or just go to one of the 5 convenient Maryland locations. Thank you so much for being here.
I really appreciate the opportunity. Thank you.
And we'll be right back with more Midday Maryland right after this. Stay tuned.